Welcome back again. Today we're going to look at the steering column, and then that's it. Just going to look at it. There it is. This is what came out of it. The 68 column. It's the column shift automatic Slushbox 2000, and just basic column stuff. And I'm a tall guy, so I need tilt. And the best thing I could find in my area was this, which is out of 78 Camaro. Great thing about this 68 column is it doesn't have an ignition switch. It's very basic. We're going to take all these parts off that we don't need and modify it so it looks like that. Maybe this will give you the courage to try it. I sure as heck didn't think I was going to be able to do it, but it's not really that hard. You just got to know that when you're going into it, you may have to throw your column away. And as long as you look at it like that, nothing's really that bad. So here's my column. I painted it, and I handled it while it was still wet, so probably going to repaint it. But for the most part, it came out all right. Got little scratches in here from the sandpaper that I might clean up and maybe polish it up a little bit, paint it again. But overall, it looks pretty damn close to the other one. I've got just this little nub that sticks out over here that you can tell that it's not the 68 column, but besides that, it looks identical. And I don't have the key over here, which, looking at it again, I might do some more painting on that, but I got a while before that goes back in. Anyways, it just goes to show you what you can do. If you don't have things available and you don't want to spend $1,200 to get the right one, you can make yours work. Anyways, we'll get back to it and knock some other things out while I'm outside. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to do the like and subscribe things. That helps me out a lot. Next time.